Today is around 3:49 p.m. So we are looking at the 15-minute chart of euro versus the dollar. As you can see, it is currently on support line. So if you will also put a Fibonacci retracement level to see what are the supports and what are the resistances. So as you can see here, it is currently at 50% support. That is also considered the psychological support. Okay, let's try to look at M5. So M5 in a 50-minute. Okay, that's also in its support. Let's make a different one. You could put your base here, pull it up. Okay, so basically that is still within the support area, and as you can see, the candlestick is doji. It represents reversal with the RSI at 30. So this could mean that buyers will be coming out and pushing the price up. Okay, so where will be our possible support? Let's try. I mean resistance. So resistance could be within this area. Okay, that is where the previous price movement congestion. Okay, so that could be a new resistance. Okay, but based here on our 30-minute time frame, seems that this flat combo here could pull the price down. So from all those different time frames, I would say that the longer term is quite bearish, as it will the possibility of going here is there, while in the 15-minute there could be a bounce, okay, up to this one here. Okay, so up to this one here, and probably it will continue going down. Okay. Same with this one. As you can see, although this resembles bullish, but the bulls seem to have a hard time pushing the price up, which means the price may move sideways on the 5-minute. And on the 1-minute, as you can see, it shows sideways movement, as there is just congestion of price within this area, which corresponds to this one. Okay, so again, in a 15-minute chart, so if this will reverse, tendency is it will be met with resistance at this level. That will coincide with this one. So this one, this Kumo, again, may be able to pull the price down. So that's it for this at this time, and I will see you later or on my next video. Thanks.